This is video recap of trading week October 18th, 22nd. 16 trades were executed, 11 trades, among them were profitable. As usual, each position 20k, potential profit could be 6500. Let's look at each trade precisely. First, ticker ML. This stock has great accumulation, 3 days. Week ago on Friday there was closing above that range, strong signal. Small consolidation at the beginning of Monday. I entered long position, quick spike, adorable quick spike, and at the top of it I closed my long position, quick and very profitable trade, about 50 cents move. Next ticker VLTA, 2 trades, first loss, second profits. Last week on Friday there was a consolidation at the level 7.05, and on Monday from first seconds I entered long position, but stock dumped and I got a stop loss, about 10 cents stop loss. On Thursday, on a huge momentum, price returned above that level, closed it, made a pullback, but established consolidation. That's a healthy price action for continuation of the uptrend. I entered my long position, and after continuation of that momentum and reaching another level 7.32, I closed my long position, cover my losses and make some profits. Next ticker is BARK, also 2 trades, first loss, second profits. First of all, on Monday there was a classical false breakout on a V formation price action, and when price returned above this support and make this green spike, I entered my long position, but my stop loss was tight, about 4 cents, and at the middle of the day price reached my stop loss, so that's why first trade gave a loss. After that, when I saw that price returned above the level again, that was obvious that my level is not correct, so I changed my level at 6.18. After this green spike I entered long position again, because you see, when price made a spike and slowly pullbacks, that means that trend is to the direction of a big candles. So after reaching about 6.40 cents and this huge spike, substantial movement for this stock, I decided to close my long position with I cover losses and make good profits. Next ticker is UP. So on Monday price established some kind of consolidation or a choppiness about the support 7.01. I decided that this price action is enough for a reversal and entered my position close to the level as much as possible. Price made a move to the upside indeed, about 10 cents, and I decided took my profits because I like to secure small profits but take movement that took my time because I respect my time. Next stock is DIDI. So you see there was some kind of a triangle formation. Usually stock breaks out from such a formations sharply. Of course I like sharp moves because I want to make profits quickly as any trader. So on Monday there was a quick spike breaking this trend line, and I entered my position 2 times after closing above this horizontal level and after closing above the trend line. So my entry point was about in the middle, but that distance was huge for this stock and I expected a pullback. Pullback was more than I thought, but my stop loss was at 8.19. Price reached 8.20, so that was okay. And after this price action at the end of the day above the horizontal level, I decided to hold that stock overnight. So next day price opened with a gap up, made a sell-off 1 cent before my stop loss, and then just skyrocketed 30 cents. And of course I take profits because I didn't expect another substantial movement this day for this stock. Next ticker STRC gave a loss, my biggest loss this week. So I decided that this consolidation and this returning above the consolidation after every breakout would be a beginning of a reversal to the upside. So after consolidation above this support 6.36, I decided that that's enough to enter a long position. But this stock has bad liquidity with a huge spreads, and my position was rather big, and stock didn't go up, and it broke support level again. And I closed my position with a 30 cents loss per share. Next ticker AYRO. There was a downtrend on a daily, sideways with a tightening to the trend line, and on Monday, after breaking this trend line, I entered short position, but stock didn't move even 10 cents. Price returned to my entry point because my position was too big for me to take losses again. I decided to close my position, break even. Next trade, ticker TAOP. So after substantial downtrend, several weeks in a row, there was a reversal, like a parabola formation, with a level 2.81. That's a pattern for me in particular. And when such a level is broken, I entered my positions. So in this case, on a 1 hour or 4 hour chart, after closing above this resistance, I entered my long position, and in several days I decided my position closed at 3.20 because I expected a quick movement, some kind of a short squeeze, but stock didn't make any squeezes. I decided that this is a strange signal and I want to get out from that stock. That's why I closed my position. Next, ticker Tesla. I traded weekly options. So after good earnings report, there was a trend line. Before that, this is 1 minute chart, and in the first minute, price broke that trend line to the upside and closing and establishing one candle consolidation. I missed that move, that's my bad. But after that movement and consolidation at the upside, there was a clear sentiment that I can see a continuation this day. That's why on this pullback I entered my call option and just took an opportunity for this stock to breathe. And after 20 minutes, Tesla made a second leg to the upside, clean and quick move, and at the top of the movement I closed my position because that was more than 100% profits, and Tesla almost reached all-time high resistance, $900. That's why I closed my position. Next stock, charge point, ticker CHPT. There was a consolidation couple of days at 21.33, and I considered breaking of this resistance as a strong signal for a continuation of the uptrend. In first 5 minutes there was a breakout, I entered my position, the price didn't touch the level, even like a false breakout. That's very important, and I like such a price action very much. And very quickly I saw a continuation of the uptrend. My thesis was that price can reach $22.80, but movement was so quick, so I decided that it would be wise to close my position at 22.21 because RSI indicator depicted overbought territory. So about 80 cents per share take profit. Next ticker GEVO, also a trend line like a DIDI stock, but in that case price made a breakout, a continuation of the momentum, and then a false breakout of this consolidation at the local top, and then a sell-off. After entering position at 6.90, I closed my position at $7. I didn't like price action, and my thesis was absolutely correct. Next ticker ASTR, that was situation like a charge point, horizontal level, consolidation just under that level couple of days, and breakout. So I bought stock after breakout, and after 20 cents move closed my position because there was a pattern double top. Next stock SGBX, there was a horizontal level around $3 and trend line that established some kind of a triangle, like DIDI stock, like GEVO stock, etc, etc. So in case of such a triangles, breakout from it usually makes a squeeze. So in that case, after closing above the trend line, I immediately opened my long position. After 10 minutes, I closed my position with a 20 cents take profit per share. And the last trade, ticker BLDE, I expected that after approaching to the resistance 10.72 and breaking it next day, that would be enough for this stock to making a breakout from the range. But after breaking, price returned inside the range, so that was a tricky false breakout, and I got about 25 cents loss per share. That was okay because I already had enough profits this week to take the loss. So that's it for this video. In my next video I will make stock chart analysis to trade for upcoming week.